Meaning of herbarium.
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 Herbarium. A herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimens and associated data used for scientific research, education, and conservation purposes. These specimens may be pressed and dried or stored in alcohol to prevent decay. The collection usually includes information about the location, habitat, date of collection, and collector's name. Herbaria are used to study plant diversity, evolution, distribution and classification, and to identify plants. They are also important for documenting historical changes in plant populations and habitats. The significance of herbaria extends beyond their use in botanical research, as they play a vital role in teaching, environmental monitoring, and the preservation of plant species.